Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything About Accounting. Today, we're talking about achieving financial success, and guess what? It all starts with good habits. In this video, we'll unveil 5 powerful accounting habits that will transform you from a financial novice to a financial superstar. So, buckle up and get ready to level up your financial game. Habit number 1, embrace the budget. Think of a budget as your financial roadmap. It helps you track your income and expenses and allocate your resources wisely. Don't be intimidated. Start simple with a spreadsheet or budgeting app and adjust it as needed. Remember, a budget is a living document, not a rigid rulebook. Habit number 2, track your spending religiously. Every penny counts. Whether it's coffee breaks or online subscriptions, track every single expense. This awareness will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more towards your financial goals. Habit number 3, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for savings and bill payments. This way, you'll avoid missed payments and late fees, and effortlessly build your financial safety net. Habit number 4, review your statements regularly. Don't let your bank statements gather dust. Regularly review them to check for errors, identify fraudulent activity, and ensure your financial information is accurate. Habit number 5, invest in your financial education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Devote time to learning about personal finance, investing, and basic accounting principles. There are countless online resources, books, and even courses to help you on your journey, the financial superstar mindset. Developing these habits takes discipline and consistency, but trust me, the rewards are well worth it. By embracing these practices, you'll gain control over your finances, make smarter decisions, and pave the way for a brighter financial future. So, are you ready to become a financial superstar? Share in the comments below which habit you'll start implementing today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable accounting content to help you on your financial journey. Thanks for joining us. Remember, consistent effort and smart financial habits are the recipe for financial success. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.